Today we talk about how can you find WhatsApp caller ID on your Eyecon app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you to find it on your Eyecon app. So all you have to do to find it, you just go down here, you click here on ID down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then here you will find your WhatsApp caller ID. So I have nothing here. I have no messages here. It calls from in here on numbers. But if you have it, it's going to appear here when you receive it here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.